Alright, what's good with y'all? Today we're back with another video. Today I have to hold the mic because my stand literally broke. But yeah, today we're checking out the Cheromani's vocal preset. This is actually his main preset from an actual project from Che. So today we're recreating Pizza Time. Personally, I really like the song. It's a good song. So I decided to remake it. Alright, so I'm at my little brother. His name is Kid Reboot. And he's a rebooty kid. So go follow him on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Alright. But yeah, alright, so we're back after a little pause. I had to go grocery shopping with my little brother. But yeah, we're gonna play the song now. I'm first gonna play the official song, so wait, I need to put down the mic to do this.
DJ Smokey, 666, bitch.
My name tatted, if you fucking with me like you say.
I don't care about traffic, I'ma do 100 any day.
This pillow talking, oh, you sweeter than a piece of cake.
Pop pill and I can't even front face, yeah. Pick from my man and with thing.
Bang, 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 all I know is fucking bang, yeah. You can't stand, who put you on game, yeah.
They call me sad, so you call me Chase, yeah. Call me shit, fucking K-Rolls, not the case, yeah.
You surround yourself with lying hoes, I'm not the same, yeah. They tell that nigga chain, not the same, yeah.
Alright, so as y'all heard, it's really accurate. It's like from his real project, so y'all will get the official Che preset. This shit's crazy. I'm gonna break down the preset real quick. So of course we got the auto-tune first of all. Everybody uses it. And next up, Fruity Paramedic EQ. The only thing I put on was a flangus and a de-esser, literally. And I made it a little bit wider because that's how he has it in the official song. But otherwise than that, it's the official one. So I don't know, be blessed or something. I will leave the preset down below for free to download, so just go down and download that shit. It will be a drive. Also, I want to thank y'all so much for the response on the last video. 1.1k views and 87 likes and 44 comments. Shit means the world to me, for real. Also go check my other videos where I show how to sound like Lil TJ and Future. And also let me know in the comment what preset y'all want. It really helps me to keep making these videos. But yeah, that was all for this video. If y'all want more, just let me know in the comments as I said. Like, subscribe, do all that shit. And I'll see you on the next one.